Good day, learners. Welcome to our day one and day two problem and solution in a story. Retelling a fable. High frequency words. Let's read the. The lion is big and the lion and the mouse are friends. It, the mouse is small in. The lion is in the net. 2. The mouse ran to the lion. It. It is a strong lion. You. The mouse said, "Thank you, lion." That. The lion learned that even small friends can help. What do you know about lions? What do you know about mice? Do you think a small mouse can help a big lion? The lion and the mouse. One day, a lion caught a little mouse. The mouse said, "Please let me go." The lion let the mouse free. Later, the lion was caught in a net. The mouse came and beat the net until the lion was free. And they became good friends. Who are the characters in the story? What did the lion do to the mouse at the beginning? What problem happened to the lion? How did the mouse help the lion? What is a problem? A problem is something wrong that happens in a story. For example, the lion was caught in a net. What is a solution? A solution is how the problem is fixed or solved. Example, the mouse beat the net and freed the lion. In short, the problem is the big trouble and the solution is the way to fix the trouble. Retelling a fable. In retelling a fable, we can use words like first, then, next, finally to help us. First, the lion caught the mouse. Then, the lion let the mouse go. Next, the lion was caught in a net. Finally, the mouse helped the lion. Let's try this. Write true if the sentence is correct and false if it's not. Let's try this. Number the sentences from 1 to 4 to show the correct order of the story. The tortoise and hare. The hare always bragged about being the fastest animal. The tortoise challenged him to a race. The hare ran quickly but became overconfident. He stopped to rest and fell asleep. The tortoise kept walking slowly but steadily. In the end, the tortoise reached the finish line first and won the race. Who are the characters in the story? Why did the hare laugh at the tortoise? What challenge did the tortoise give to the hare? What did the hare do during the race? Let's try this. Complete the retelling chart. Let's try this. Fill in the blanks with first, then, next, and finally. Let's try this. Write true if the sentence is correct and false if it's not. Always remember, a problem is something wrong that happens in a story. A solution is how the problem is solved. Retelling helps us remember the story in order. High frequency words are words we see and read most often in English. Welcome to our day 3 and day 4. Reading short story with onset and rhyme, CVCE words, and sight words. Let's read this. Cake, kite, bike, rope, home, gate, rose, cute, time, 5. Let's read the sentences. Jake had a bike and he likes to ride it. Jane made a cake at home. The kite was red and blue. Sam went to the park with his dad. Mom gave me a rose. The dog came home late. I like the game that we play. The note was on the desk. Let's read the story. Jake's kite. Jake had a kite. The kite was red and blue. He went to the park with his dad. The wind was strong. Jake's kite went up high in the sky. He was so happy. Who had a kite? What color was the kite? Where did Jake go? How did Jake feel at the end? Mike's bike. Mike has a bike. He rides it on the wide road. The bike is blue and nice. Mike wears a hat and smiles. He likes his bike a lot. Who has a bike? What color is the bike? Where does Mike ride? How does Mike feel? Jane's cake. Jane made a cake at home. The cake is big and sweet. She put the cake on a plate. Jane gave some cake to her dad. They ate the cake together. Who made the cake? Where did she make the cake? What did she put the cake on? Who ate the cake with Jane? Let's read this. Kite. K, ite. K is onset or beginning sound. Ite is the rhyme or the ending sound. Bake. B, ache. B, onset or beginning sound. Ache is the rhyme or the ending sound. Time. T, I'm. T is the beginning sound. I'm is the ending sound. Note. N, oat. N, onset or beginning sound. Oat, rhyme or the ending sound. Game. G, aim. G is the beginning sound. Aim is the ending sound. Let's try this. Complete the words by adding the missing onset or rhyme. Let's try this. Add an onset to the rhyme to make a word. Always remember, onset is the beginning sound of a word. Rhyme is the ending part of a word. When you join onset and rhyme, you can read and build new words. Thank you for watching. Till our next English